Hey guys, in today's vlog, I'm going to show you what I've been doing. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. I ordered new makeup at Ulta Beauty and it finally arrived here in New York. There's been so much shipping delays, so I'm gonna show you what I bought. So I purchased the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. This is it. And then I also purchased the ColourPop Pretty Face Powder Foundation. And then for skincare, I repurchased the Fire's Witch Hazel Facial Toner. And this is the cucumber. And then lastly, I purchased the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte and Satin Lipstick. The packaging is like this, and this one is in the shade Rum Peach. It's a beautiful color. It is time for me to eat, so I'm going to have chicken noodle soup. So the soup is chicken noodle soup by the brand Pacific Foods. This is my favorite. If you guys haven't tried this out, you gotta check this out at your local supermarket or Whole Foods. So definitely. Then to drink, I am having a first time trying it is the Perrier Strawberry Mineral Water. This is it so far. It is delicious. I love the strawberry taste of it. I purchased this on Amazon. You get 30 cans for $15, which is a steal. I really love it. Definitely, they come in so much flavor. They have peach, lemon, or whatnot. But I heard rumors that the strawberry one was great. I am a shopaholic. I have a lot of clothes, a lot of makeup, a lot of skincare. So I have been organizing, trying to find stuff online to organize my clothes, my makeup. I purchased storage compression bags by Room Essentials at Target. Oh my god, I got this one in the size extra large. And then I also purchase labels to label my clothes. These are all my sweaters. I label them. All my sweaters. And it comes with that. I purchased two of these containers. One is for lipstick and the other one is for the skincare. I'll show you after this. And I have a label maker by the brand Brother. Really like it. Has fonts. You could definitely change the fonts, space it out, do it all caps and whatnot. Really love this label maker. And these are all my lipsticks that I'm organizing. So this is it. So I'm just gonna put all my lipsticks. So guys, I have my label. It says lipsticks on it. So I'm just going to this right here. Let me see. Let me just move it. Right there, it says lipsticks. So this is it. Lipsticks, all my lipsticks. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, a day in my life. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe right here, over here. And I'll see you in my next video.